let's jump into the why consider a JDE to NetSuite migration. We're going to share some information here today, not only that talks about customers who've made this move, what kind of financial impacts you might experience, but also what kind of functionality you should be expecting from a JD Edwards to NetSuite comparative process. So as we move forward and we consider the migration itself and why a JD Edwards customer would go to the extent of saying, hey, I've got an ERP system in place, maybe it's been here for a long, long time, should I consider something else? Well, these are some themes, right? These are some themes that we've encountered with our customers that we've helped make this move. It's considerations, right? So we all know that the JD Edwards product has been out there for a long time. I first started working with it in the mid-90s, was very excited, great product, comes from RPG roots. And we all know if you're working with JD Edwards Enterprise One today, it's a true open systems platform. So truly, JDE has evolved. But here's what our experience indicates, and that is that sometimes customers haven't grown with the software. So maybe they planned JD Edwards as a robust, dynamic environment that would grow with them and that they would grow with, only to find out that something changed in the business. Could have been a complete directional change, or it could have been something that impacted their growth. Sometimes customers that implemented JD Edwards based on business plans, business models, found out that that didn't materialize. Now they've got a large investment in a software platform that is not driving the value for its cost that they had expected. We're going to talk about an example of that with a specific customer in just a few moments. Other times, companies are coming to the realization now that the way ERP was deployed years ago is not the way SaaS systems are deployed today. And truly, JD Edwards as an on-premise or hosted product is implemented differently than a SaaS solution like NetSuite. And then other times we find that companies have moved away from a certain paradigm maybe they had for a period of time in their business, which was let's get a baseline product, let's build it out, let's make our own, right? Kind of build it at home, develop our own ERP solution. And now what they're doing is stepping back and saying, hey, there's a big cost of ownership with that. Maybe we should consider, now that the environment for ERP with SaaS solutions is very mature, maybe we should be taking a look and investigating how that could drive our business rather than us living with it, maintaining it, and developing it for the future. So these are some of the windows of opportunity that customers look at. They begin to think to themselves, hey, should we consider this migration?